Hello. Hi guys. It's the next day. It's actually several days later. I have a mixed haul. I have Victor here. Hey Victor. Victor, come here. Hey, say hi. Hi Victor. And Mr. Retros is here.
Howdy.
Hey, hi Mr. Retros.
Hi, Mr. Retro.
I have TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree, Goodwill, and Aliexpress. I'll show you my this is breathtakingly beautiful dress I got for 38 centimeter Labubu. These are Dollar Tree headgears, but this is pretty good. I think it was like $6 or something. Pretty nice. Look at the detail. Fine detail on her schmata. So she's looking good. And then she's got this purse here. So we're all stylish up for Halloween's. See if you, I guess I should get her some shoes. There you go. Okay, stay right there. Then I got some other faux fur, pieces from Aliexpress, just to have on hand. This is a brown. I ordered some faces and stuff. This is pretty good. All the fabric stores near me have closed, so I'm gonna order online. So I got 4 pieces of this. They were like maybe $3 a piece. You like them? No, I don't like them. This was pretty good. And it comes pretty quick from Allie. This one, and then this is a naked, the boo-boo they have. It's a Lafufu, but he has like this Cupid doll body, which I thought was kind of fun. He's kind of cool.
Could make a mummy out of him.
I could make a mummy out. I'm gonna got mummy dolls coming, but I did buy him a suit so that he can look like a vampire. It's on the way. But he might be a good mummy too. He's cool. Look at that neat face. Yeah, so I like him. And these were like maybe $2, $3. And then I got this air freshener for the cars, for my friends' cars. Like this air freshener didn't hang itself. No, this is for
Epstein.
Yes, everybody knows who that is. This is for the Expedition. It's the one that needs it. Yeah, that's the one that needs it. Yeah. And it's the other one. This is more fake fur from Allie. It's kind of like werewolf fur. Oh, I have an animated werewolf on the way. Should be here Monday. You have to prepare, Victor. Werewolf.
Ready.
Werewolf on the way. He dances. He's a big head werewolf from Jemmy. And I forget what song he sings. It's something good.
I don't know.
Something really good.
I hope it's not, that one they always play on Halloween.
Oh, no, it's not that. Monster Mash.
Yeah,
no, it's
I
not
hope
that.
it's not
It's
that.
something else. Something else cool.
Oh.
You can look it up on YouTube. People have videos of it. So this is just some big fur to have on hand for my project. So that was exciting. And then this is this is fur from Aliexpress too. I made a kitty Furby for a friend of mine, and so then I made this. This is a tissue box cover. Yeah.
Right.
Franken-Furby tissue box cover. And so I'm going to make one for the other bathroom, but it has to be gray and maroon. So I have gray and maroon fur on the way.
Oh,
Yeah,
all
so
right.
it's going to be all coordinated and snazzy.
Nice.
And here's his face. I just print the face. Amazingly, nobody makes these.
Yeah.
I went looking for one. I said, well, maybe I can, yeah, that's the way it always, maybe I can just buy one. No, they don't have what you want.
Right.
No, they don't. Then, let's see.
Google it.
I did,
Get
and there's
your-
nothing. I did. Huh. Don't think I didn't. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I have never seen this thing before. It's kind of a Oh, it's got like a Joanna Parker look on his face.
Mm-hmm. Flip his sign.
And then it's sign, that's boo. It's kind of jacked up a little.
Yeah.
But that's kind of cute. I'll hang it somewhere. It says, spin me. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but a cute job on the face. I will give it to DT for doing that. And then, these. This is a second purchase of these. These are from Dollar Tree. And I had some Luminara ones that I left the batteries in for too long, and it ruined them. So I got these at the Dollar Tree, $5 for the set, and they have timers. You turn them on, they stay on for 6 hours, and then they go off. And they look good. See this?
Yeah.
I turn them this way. I put them in those lanterns on the fireplace. I needed one more, so I bought another set. But these are actually pretty good, and they take AAAs. Yeah,
3 AAA.
3 AAA batteries, so they should last. Plus, they're on a timer. I won't buy it if it's not a timer. I don't like that. And then this is my project. I didn't come up with this. I think I saw Bargain Bethany did it, and she got it off Instagram, I think she said. Anyway, you buy some of those cutting mats at DT, and then you cut them to fit inside here. There's 3 of them. I keep the back open, and then this was from Dollar Tree, $5. You could use any one though. You know, they had a nice wooden one at Goodwill, but this was $5. Yeah, I think they have them in gold too. But you could put any, and then you got this. This was from DT. I think you might find a better one, like at Home Depot. This has no timer.
I've seen
Not very.
better ones
Yeah.
that go around.
Yeah. See, just lights, and then you stick it in here. I hope you can see it. Can you see it okay? The light isn't very good. Yeah, let me turn it. There you go. Can you see? There we go. And it's better at night. And it just projects the light onto this lantern thing.
Yeah.
You can kind of see it, I guess.
Looks
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it looks good at night. But if I find a better one of these light projector jobbies, there you can kind of see.
Yeah.
There. There we go.
They have
See,
some that rotate.
yeah, the rotating ones. I think they have them at Home Depot. I don't even know if our Home Depot has their Halloween stuff out. They have an awesome, what was it?
Was it the leprechaun?
There was a leprechaun. I don't want him, but it was last year they had a full-size bartender that was pouring a drink. Happy Haunting guy has it. It's really cool, but it's really big. This year they have a smaller one. Looks like it's about 42 inches, which would be cool behind my bar. If mine has it. Mine is supposedly a flagship store. Ha! Ha ha, I laugh. Flagship store indeed. So this is this project. It's not bad, but I would like a better thingy to go in there and a timer. And then the piece of this left over. And then this is that cat that they had. And I don't remember if I showed this or not. I just repainted it to look more Joanna Parker. And I took that thing off his neck. I didn't like that. The cat is always gone. They had some of the other ones today, but no cats. I just happened to grab 2 of them a couple weeks ago. Okay, that's what I got at DT. Then I went to TJ Maxx. I got some of these because I left my other ones at the beach. These are just little hair clips. And they're metal. They have plastic ones too, but the plastic ones break. But these are nice metal ones. And then I got this. I think House of Joni wants this. I couldn't find there's a ghost. It's super cute. That goes with it. It's by this Ghoulish company, and it was $14.99, but they're selling it for $80 on eBay right now. Yeah, the scalpers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I would repaint it a little bit if I was keeping it myself. I mean, she can. She paints. So, she wants this one. I'll have to ship it. And then, Baby Retro's birthday. Big birthday's coming. Here it is. I'm coming for you, Baby Retros. We're gonna party all night. Look at him. She loves Ghostbusters since she was a little tiny Baby Retros. Here we go. So I found this at TJ. You know, they had one of these at Spirit Halloween a few years ago, but they wanted like $75 for it. I think that's it. And it was smaller. It was like maybe this big. But this is a nice big and it's licensed, and it was $24.99. So she's gonna like that. She likes Slimer too. So yay, got that. Now that was the TJ Maxx. Now I went to the Goodwill. Let's see what we got. It wasn't too bad in there. They give us discounts on some stuff. Oops. I love my Tupperware. These are nice vintage square. They must smell like foods. Square rounds with the lids. These are great. So this was $2.99. Do you like them? They know their treats and stuff are all in Tupperwares. Tupperware's a good thing. It's a good thing. Get this paper to wrap that pumpkin man in. And then I got this for Mr. Retros to put a candle in. It's glass. Orange glass, mosaic. And you just put a candle in. And it was $4.99. That's kind of nice. Oh, you know, you could put one of these in there. You could put that in there. I don't know. Might not go. Yeah. But I think a tea light would be better. And then this is a Mr. Retros item.
Yeah, we're just meeting some
Clamps. Yeah, my double hung window came popping out. And I gotta tell you, it took 2 people to put that sucker back in, and we could have used these strong clamps. What was that thing we used?
Oh, vice grip.
Vice grip we used.
But I only have one.
Yeah, well, we did it.
These
It wasn't easy, but we did it. What is this? I wonder what this is. Oh! Gee, I've been looking for one of these. Now that my flowers are about shot. It's a flower frog. I kind of wanted one of the spiky ones, but I'll take what I can get. This was $2.99. It's a glass one. So, yeah. See that, Victor? He has to examine everything. And then this is, we have one of these, I swear, in every fridge we have. The Brita pitcher. This one's for in the studio. I use it for coffee and, yeah. I use it for coffee and when I paint. I use a little water. That's pretty good. So that was $5.99. I think we got discounts on something. All right, so that's good. And my, oh, hold on one second. Hi guys, I'm back. Same day. Sorry, I can't help myself. I also got these. I was looking for moss balls. Moss, M-O-S-S, balls, to put in my bowl on the table. I'm going to do my mummy dolls. And I'm going to have them stand in with a bunch of moss balls. I didn't find any, so I found these green pumpkins. And I got some creepy cloth I can put in there for the base. I'm not going to go on a wild goose chase for moss balls. I got 2 more dollies to mummify. She'll be a nice one. Look. Make her eyes closed. Arise. Arise and walk. She's cool. She's just a cheapy doll, but I think this one is really going to be neat. I'm just going to put some gauze around her head. She's like a mummy bride. I'm not sure who she is. Oh, yeah. Who is she? Let me look. She's a. Oh, this is a Jenny doll. Vogue's Jenny doll, which is cool, and it's vintage. Look, she's got nail polish on. She got bendy legs.
Trollop.
Yeah, trollop. Oh, she's got both her shoes. Oh boy, both her shoes. Her legs bend. She's fancy. So that's my story for today. You got anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
Got anything, Victor?
No.
No. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da.